Hello, my name is Aura Pinilla. I am 42 years old. I was born in Bogota and I live in Bogota. Actually, I study business administration at UNAT. I am secretary and I worked in Secretaría de Educación. I like listening to music, reading books. I love paying times watching TV. My family is composed by my husband and my two daughters. The last vacation I went to Island of San Andres. I stayed there from December 12 to and 12C. And I went with my mother, my husband, my two daughters, and my nephew. I like it because I didn't know the sea. I paid 4 millions. I liked it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, I went to the island Johnny Key, el acuario, la piscinita, el hoyo soplador, and the center of commerce, and liked it a lot. I don't came back, and I want to return in the months of September or October because it's low season and it's cheaper. We think come back next year. The weather in San Andres is hot. My family and me travel in December and the hot climate is wonderful. The people should go to Yonique in San Andres. The people should now go to Yonique with coats. The people should in airplane to San Andres. Thank you very much and bye bye.